How to fix WhatsApp file format not supported. So guys, in this video I will show you and share with you the easiest way how to fix this problem on your WhatsApp. So just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go directly to apps option. Here, as you see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. We search only for WhatsApp. Then here, when you found WhatsApp, just open it like this and go to storage option. Then go to the last button, clear data, click on it and click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to restart your phone. After restarting your phone, my friend, go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp, and then open WhatsApp, and you will see that this problem be fixed on your WhatsApp. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.